What if your family cruise could be all giggles and zero regrets, even with toddlers in tow? Stick around for the top tips that transform kid chaos into cruise magic every parent needs. Hey there, fellow parents and adventure seekers. Welcome back to our channel, where we turn travel headaches into highlights. If you're planning a cruise with the little ones or even teens who act like toddlers, this is your lifeline. Cruising with kids can be epic, but it takes some insider know-how to keep everyone smiling. We're counting down 10 ultimate tips in classic style, from number 10 to the game changer at number 1. Each one includes what the tip is and why it works wonders. Let's set sail. Number 10. Pack a kid survival kit for Embarkation Day. This is a small backpack with snacks, toys, coloring books, and noise-canceling headphones for each child. Why it works? The first day is pure mayhem. Long lines, crowds, and no room service yet. So this kit prevents hunger-fueled tantrums and keeps them occupied while you handle check-in. Trust me, a happy kid means a stress-free start. Number 9. Choose a family-friendly cruise line from the get-go. Opt for lines like Disney, Royal Caribbean, or Carnival with dedicated kids clubs, character meetups, and splash zones. Why it's essential? These ships are built for families, turning potential boredom into non-stop fun. Think water slides and teen lounges that give parents a break without guilt. Mismatch your line and you'll spend the trip entertaining cranky kids yourself. Number 8. Book connecting cabins or a suite early. Go for adjoining rooms or a family suite with extra space and maybe a balcony. Why this triumphs over tantrums? Tight quarters amplify sibling squabbles and bedtime battles. More room means personal space, easier naps, and a spot for parents to unwind after lights out. It's worth the splurge for sanity. Number 7. Pre-book kid-friendly excursions with flexibility. Select shore activities like beach days or easy hikes that match your kids' ages, and always check for family discounts. Why it works? Overambitious tours lead to exhausted, whiny kids. Opt for ones with built-in breaks or cancellations, so you can bail if a meltdown hits without losing money. Number 6. Establish a daily family fun schedule on board. Create a loose itinerary, mixing kids' club time, pool hours, and family meals. Use the cruise app to plan. Why this prevents chaos? Kids thrive on routine. Without it, sea days feel endless and overwhelming. This structure builds excitement and gives everyone something to look forward to, cutting down on "I'm bored" complaints. Number 5. Bring motion sickness remedies and comfort items. Pack kids-safe bands, ginger chews, or meds, plus favorite blankets or stuffed animals. Why it's a triumph? Seasickness strikes fast and turns happy campers into miserable ones. Familiar items provide comfort in a new environment, helping them sleep better and enjoy the waves instead of fearing them. Number 4. Leverage the kids' clubs, but test them first. Drop-offs at onboard camps for age-appropriate games and supervision, but do a trial run on day 1. Why this works wonders? It gives parents adult time while kids make friends, but easing in builds trust, no forced separations that spark tears. Pro lines have themed activities that keep them begging to go back. Number 3. Plan for me time rotations with your partner. Alternate solo parent duties so each gets breaks for spa, shows, or just deck lounging. Why it beats burnout? Non-stop kid duty leads to parental tantrums. These swaps recharge you, making family moments more joyful. If solo parenting, buddy up with other families for shared supervision. Number 2. Pack smart for all weather and activities. Include layers, swim gear, sun protection, and reusable water bottles, plus extras like outlet adapters for charging kid gadgets. Why it avoids regrets? Cruises hit varied climates and ports. Being unprepared means soggy, sunburned kids or dead tablets during downtime. Versatile packing keeps everyone comfy and entertained. And the number 1 ultimate tip? Communicate expectations and involve kids in planning. Before sailing, talk about rules, highlights, and what to expect. Let them pick activities from the itinerary. Why this turns tantrums to triumphs? Kids feel empowered, reducing resistance. It builds hype and teaches flexibility for surprises like weather changes. This mindset shift makes the whole family team players on the adventure. There you have it. 10 ultimate tips to make cruising with kids a breeze, from dodging tantrums to creating lifelong triumphs. If this helped your planning, give it a thumbs up, share with other parents, and comment your top kid cruise hack below. Subscribe and ring the bell for more family travel secrets. Safe sailing, may your cruises be tantrum-free.